Hello students, myself Sunil Bansal. Today we will be discussing performance characteristics of DC shunt motors. So before actually starting with the characteristics of DC shunt motor, we should be aware of the two equations. First is your torque equation, second is your speed equation. So as we all know, torque equation is given by T equals to phi Ia, where T is your torque, it is directly proportional to your phi is your field flux, and Ia is your armature current. Okay. Second is your speed equation. Speed equation of DC shunt motor, it is given by N directly proportional to V minus Ia Ra upon phi. Okay. So this we have already discussed in the previous videos, and one more we should know about shunt motors. In shunt motors, your field flux always remains constant, means in shunt motors the value of phi will remain constant. Okay, so in DC shunt motors also there are three types of characteristics. First is your torque versus armature current characteristics. In torque versus armature current characteristics, we require torque equation. Second is your speed versus armature current characteristics. For speed versus armature current characteristics, we required speed equation. Third is your torque versus speed. Torque versus speed characteristics, we required above two characteristics. So let us actually start with DC shunt motor characteristics. First is your torque armature current characteristics. So we all know that the torque equation is given by T directly proportional to phi Ia. So as I have already told you that for shunt motors the value of field flux always remains constant. So we can say therefore T is directly proportional to phi A. We can eliminate constant from the above equation. So T directly becomes equals to Ia. So this equation gives a straight line which passes through the origin. Okay. So let us see the diagram. So this is the torque armature current characteristics. As we increases the armature current, torque also increases. Okay. Second is your speed armature current characteristics or speed current characteristics. So as we all know, speed equation of DC shunt motors is given by and directly proportional to V minus Ia Ra upon phi. As I have already told you that in case of DC shunt motors, your flux remains constant. Therefore, the above equation can be written as N directly proportional to V minus Ia Ra. So this equation gives a straight line with negative slope. That is, the speed N of the motor decreases linearly with increase in armature current. As we increase this armature current, the speed get decreased. Okay, so we get a negative slope. So this is shown by the diagram. The speed armature current characteristics. Okay, this one, this dotted line, it shows the speed armature current characteristics. Okay, so next is the speed torque characteristics. The speed torque characteristics are similar to speed current characteristics. This is speed armature current characteristics. Similarly, we have speed torque characteristics. Got it? So this is all about your performance characteristics of DC shunt motor. Let us see the applications of DC shunt motor. So DC shunt motors are used where constant speed and low starting torque is required. In the previous video we have seen that in DC motors application, that DC motors applications are that where we required high starting torque, but in case of DC shunt motors we can see these are used for low starting torque. Okay, so like your centrifugal pumps, fans, blowers, conveyors. Na fan, you can say ki fan runs at a constant speed. Okay, so These are the general applications of DC shunt motor. So thank you. We will catch you in next video with some more topics. Thank you very much.